Hello, welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to be unboxing some diamond paintings I recently got at Dreamer Designs. I actually got three, so I'm going to do three unboxings today. If you watched my previous videos, I said I was on a no buy until I finished 50% of my diamond paintings, and well, I got to 40%. And yeah, I broke. I ended up buying these. I got an email saying that things on my wish list were on sale, and then I went to see which ones were on sale, and I was like, I have to buy them. So yeah, I bought these, but they were on sale, so they were $10 off. These are normally $60 each, so they were about $50 each now. And I had a 20% off coupon. So with that, for three of them, they became 120, so about $40 each. And I did participate in a contest they had back in August, where if you made a video, you could be entered into winning a $200 off gift card. And I did not win, I did not win the $200 gift card, but they did give everyone who participated a $20 gift card. So minus $20, these became about $100 for three. So let's just call them $33.33 for three diamond paintings and these are massive. So let's get started. So I'm not going to go crazy in explaining a Dreamer Designs box. They are pretty. They come wrapped up. They ship from the US, so I got this in, I would say, about a week. They have a lovely handle. This box is massive. I've already put my camera up as far as possible without showing too much of other stuff. So let's hope we could see it. Okay. So the first one, man, okay. So far from Dreamer Designs, I've only gotten, the biggest one was a 40 by 50. And this one is going to be massive. So this is actually the smallest of the three I got. Even though they were all the same price, they were all slightly different in size. So they do come in this lovely reusable, I don't know, bag that I'll probably put them back in here after I'm done. And here is the toolkit. I'll only show this once since I'm assuming they're going to be the same toolkit every single time. So they come with two pens, what's it called, tweezers, the stabby tweezers, and with a lovely logo. I don't know if you can see that on the screen, Dreamer Designs. And then they have two pots of wax also with their logo of Dreamer Designs. And some squishies, purple squishies, and then two trays also with their logo of Dreamer Designs. So they're very big on their branding. And they also have a bunch of baggies. So there you go. And here are all the extra tips. They have the straightener, I don't know what placer. I don't use these ones in the 3-placer. I tend to only use the skinny placers. Okay, and they come in this lovely, nice, soft, velvety bag. Okay, so that's the last of the... Now let's get to this. Man, so much stuff. Okay, let's get to this. So the diamond painting I got was, it's called, okay. So this is one of their 2.0 ones. The only 2.0 ones I got so far have been their promotional pay just for shipping kind of thing. So their canvas is kind of stiff, but since it is poured glue, it should survive whatever badness I do to it. And it's like, I feel like this could be, if this was waterproof, this could probably be used to like protect your outside garden kind of thing. It's stiff. Okay, it's massive. Okay, so in here, it comes with the foam core. No one cares about that. And it comes with the instruction, which no one cares about. But it does come with this, what they call that, label to put on your diamond painting. So there are going to be 55 colors on this one. And there's 2 ABs. So yeah, here it is. If it can be shown in its massiveness. So I got Reverie by Anne-Marie Bone. It's a 75 by 60 and it's still curling up. Sorry for the struggle. Okay, but let's see. Okay, here it is. You could mostly see it. I don't know. Can I make this even higher? Nope. This is the extent of how high I could do this. So, yep. Here is, unless I take it out of the holder, this is the diamond painting. Isn't it? So the main reason I got this diamond painting is this reminds me of a lot of hikes that there are in Washington State with the mountain scenery and the lake and then just like the trees here. So yeah, this looks like it's gonna be hard. There's just so much confetti in these flowers, and this will, when I complete this will so far, until I at least open all of these other ones, be one of the biggest diamond paintings I've ever done. So yeah, I think that looks great. I'm not going to open the drills. I always just end up fast forwarding over whenever people open up drills, but here's drill bag number 1 and here's drill bag number 2. So yeah, looks like some very pretty colors. These are square diamonds. As far as I know, so far, Dreamer Design still only just does square diamonds. So, all right, let's get to the next one. Okay, I just have to throw this all off to the side because at some point I'm gonna have to clean this up. Okay, let's get to the next one. So this next one is slightly bigger than the other one. It still was the same price, the originally $59.95, but for what I paid, let's just call it $33.33. So I recommend, if you're like me and don't like paying full price for these items, if you can wait, what's it called? Wait, like you know you have tons of diamond paintings. If you're like me, you have plenty of diamond paintings in your inventory. And if you could wait for a coupon code or a, what's it called, sale, I recommend doing that because you know what? You probably have way more diamond paintings than you could finish. Okay. Let's see. Here's the next one that I got. If I could get it out. Okay, so this one is slightly bigger than the previous one. This one is a 60 by 80, while the previous one was a 60 by 75. So here's the toolkit. I'm not going to bother opening that. Here's another really long. Here's, oh, apparently the tweezers escaped from the toolkit, so those are going in. And a pen escaped from the toolkit. Okay, here. So here are the drills. Again, I'm not going to bother opening this. because it's so nicely packed. And assuming they are correct in their guarantee, if there are missing ones from this, they should be able to supplement it. Okay, so here is this one. Okay, I think I'm gonna just not do unboxings for such massive ones. It's just so unwieldy. They're just so big. Okay, okay. If I could get this, man, the struggle is very, very real. I'm telling you. Okay. I don't know how people like do this on camera. This is just like insane. Okay. Insane. Okay. Insane. Okay. I might end up editing this because do you really want to see me do this struggle? Okay. Okay. Here's the foam roller and the instructions again. And I have, let's see, ooh, this is 52 colors. There is, looks to be one AB color. Okay, and here it is. It is the Sweet Garden by Chuck Pinson. And this is a 60 by 80. So look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so big. But it's really stiff, but my plan is for when I'm actually doing this, well, it is poured glue, so it could take more of a beating. And once you put on the diamonds, it'll weigh it down. Okay, so for now, we're just going to have my scissors and the drills hold it down because it's really tight. So yeah, here is this one. I really liked this image just because I'm a big fan of landscapes and what's it called? I love the garden that they have here and I love the horses in the house. So I think this will turn out great. It's hard when it's square diamonds. I don't think the what's it called? The plain, like the grid shows the real colors since they are just going to be covered by diamonds. But I think this one is going to be awesome. Like, I just love the garden part for some reason. So, yeah. Ooh, is that a bird? Oh, it's off the screen. There, bird. I think that might be a bird. Okay. Here, and a tree. Look at that. It's beautiful. Man, I have too many to do. So little time. Okay. Off to the next one. Okay. So my next one is actually even though, like I said, it was this, all of these were normally $59.95 and they were all $10 off. And then with my 20% off coupon and my $20 gift card, yeah, $33.33. So here's the next one. This one actually is, like I said, bigger than the other three. I mean, the other two. Okay, let's open this. Okay, man, these things. Man, there's a lot of these tabs. I don't know what they're from. Okay, so here it is. Another toolkit, which I'm assuming is going to be the same. So off to the side there, here are some drills. Here are some more drills. Ooh, that one's a long one. Here's my diamond painting. And so here are the drills. These are squares. And you probably saw the name of the diamond painting there, but oh, and I also noticed Dreamer Designs is just super big on their what's it called, branding, that even the bags of the drills has Dreamer Designs on them. I don't know if you could tell. Maybe I could get like a lighter color. Here, see, look, it says Dreamer Designs on it. I don't know if you could tell. But yep. So here is my third and biggest one, and if I complete this, well, when I complete this, because I am going to complete this, there is no if, there is only when. This will be my biggest diamond painting. Well, this is currently the biggest diamond painting I have. So, and I'm trying not to do anything too big because unless I'm planning to put it up, where am I going to put it? Okay, let's hope that this one stays nice and flat. So this one has, let's see, 53 colors and 1 AB. Okay. So, out of the way, and here it is. Isn't it awesome looking? Look at that. It's has I still need things to hold this down. There, and there. But yeah, here there's a lighthouse and then a little house here and then like a lovely pathway here. And what's it called? Look at this. There's a sea and a lovely, I don't know, is it sunset, sunrise? And some boats here. And if I could get more on screen, here is more of a path and a lovely tree. So I think this one's gonna turn out awesome. It's called Seaside. Oop, there goes my drills. They fell off my table because this thing's so big. It's called Seaside Dreams by Chuck Pinson. So just there you go. Seaside Dreams by Chuck Pinson. This is a 60 by 90. So yeah, wow, this is like huge. My biggest diamond painting that I've done so far is the one I'm currently working on, which is the 50 by 70. So yeah, 60 by 90, man, look at this. This is massive. Okay, so there's the third one. My goal is to at least start one of these in January at least. And I do have a bunch of winter, Christmas ones I'm doing, but once I finish those, I actually plan to do one of these. I'll probably do I don't know. I'll see what I feel like. I probably will do the mountain picture just because that reminds me of home a lot first, and then we'll see where I go from there. But here you go. I bought 3 diamond paintings. I think, what's it called? I think I'm good for a while. These are gonna take me like a month each. So yeah, well, thank you for watching. I would try to show you them all at once, but they're just so big that I think even if I went on my tippy toes, I wouldn't be able to hold my camera up that high. So thank you for watching and watch another video soon. Bye.